Okay guys, let's unbox my gift. This is from Anna. I think this is perfume. Before, she gave me Dior limited edition foundation. Bango. Dior perfume. So this is the smell. So siya naman. Thank you dito, Be. First time namin mag-meet. That's our first time. It's like we're friends for how many years in Facebook. Tapos, kakahapon lang kami, kagabi lang kami nag-meet. Dior. Daw nakakabili nito kasi mahal talaga siya. Ano to? Spray siya. Bubo yarn. So, oh my daddy. Is it right? Hala, hindi ko alam ano to. It's lotion. Thank you dito, Be. Always Dior talaga yung binibigay niya sa akin. Thank you so much. Iba talaga pag yayamaner ng ang friend mo. Makatagamtam tagkuan kanang mahalo nun. Okay. So next ito. So this is from Grace. Si Gracias. Ayan. Happy birthday, ate. Thank you. Love lots, Grace. Organic. Parang sabon siya. And next. Mga organic, be. Pagapahon, jud ko ni mo, no? And this one is Green Miracle repair oil. Magwapa jud ko ani. Repair oil. And ano to? Lotus. Other one. Labubu. I just open the labubu. I-open ko siya mamaya. Ayan, labubu. Panlagay sa ano pa sa bag ko. Thank you dito, Be. Thank you so much. Ayan, cancel ko na yung iba kong ano. Where's that? And then this is the real gift. Kanina to. No bag. What is? That to. See, kanina to. I'll give this. Ate Yvonne. Sabi ko na nga ba si Ate Yvonne to eh. I know this is Ate Yvonne. My dear Celine, wishing you the happiest of birthday. May your day be as bright as a Sydney sunshine and as fun as a day at Bondi. Oy, may pag-ganun. Enjoy your special day. Thank you so much, ate. Ano kaya to? Panty ba to? Oh, daddy, magagamit natin to. Parang ano to ah. Ano to? Uy. Night ano? Nagagamit ko to, te. Thank you so much, ate. Mamaya, daddy, ha? We use this. We use this, daddy, later. Yeah? Who's this? Noni? Ang pangit ko sa ano ko. Alam niyo ba, madami na akong card na tinago. Dear Celine, happy birthday. Wishing all fabulous day and wonderful year ahead. Love. Thank you, Dai. Thank you. Ano, Dad? Next. What's this? Naanak kong nasayang yung, yung card. Walang pangalan to. And this is from Yani. Thank you, Yan. Happy birthday, Celine. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Mwah. Yani. Thank you, be. Ano to? Gift card? Wow. Mayaman yarn. It's 100 voucher. Thank you, be. Tapos, what's this? Tita Celine at Ate Spin. This is from Brenton. Tita Celine, Ate Celine, kaya from auto Tita Celine, Ate Celine. So, kay Brenton at kay Kaya, Brenton, and Beth. Thank you. Thank you dito. Dad, I think there's more in the chair. That's in the back of the chair. That's Jeremy. Ang cute naman nito. Kaya pag mga card na ganito, hindi ko tinatapon. Marami akong ganito. Dear Ate, naiyak ako. We hope you enjoy your special day. We are grateful to celebrate this day. Thank you. Hindi ko natatapusin pagbasa kasi naiyak na ako. And then, ito kanina to. I think kay Mana to. Dear Nicole, wishing you a very happy your birthday filled with lots of love and happiness. Love, Belinda and Jeff. Oh, thank you, Belinda and Jeff. Thank you so much. Even you didn't come. Bantay sa apo. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jem. Thank you dito, me. Ubos na ni Princess. Gusto niya to. Thank you so much, me. May pa-card pa siya. Sana all. Siya lang naman yung friend ko from Newcastle, Sisnok. Na nag-effort pumunta. Oy, ay, may pa 50. May pa 50 yarn. Okay, to my dearest friend Nicole, thank you so much for having me on your special day. May all wishes come true. My God bless you always. Love, Jeremy. Thank you, me. Thank you so much, me.
Mama, I like you.
And of course, thank you so much kay Love and Kuya. Thank you for the gift. It's worth $300. Oh my God, thank you so much. And of course,